After decades of hard work and saving, retirement is your time. Time to relax and enjoy quality time with friends and family. Take items off your bucket list and create unforgettable memories. You've earned the right to enjoy the fruits of your labor, and that shouldn't keep you from leaving your loved ones a substantial legacy when you're no longer around. So what if there were a way to enjoy your retirement to the fullest and leave more? FutureMark Fixed Indexed Annuities, issued by A-rated Americo Financial Life and Annuity Insurance Company, include Benny Booster, a uniquely structured death benefit rider that allows you to take withdrawals or required minimum distributions from your retirement savings while maximizing the legacy you leave behind, enabling you to enjoy the retirement of your dreams and provide for those you love. Benny Booster issues through age 85 without the inconvenience of a medical exam, making it an excellent option for people who can't qualify for life insurance. Plus, it has no waiting period and can shield your beneficiaries from the delays and hassle of probate. Available at no additional cost, the Benny Booster benefit is fueled by the strong earnings potential of FutureMark, a product that provides powerful minimum guarantees to protect your financial future, even if the market declines. Discover the first rider of its kind to credit on money that has already been withdrawn, and enjoy the retirement you deserve, all while building a meaningful legacy for your loved ones. Ask your insurance professional for more information about FutureMark with Benny Booster today.